Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of tech. Over today in this video I just want to show you how to make ton transaction from your Binance account to your Web3 wallet. And we know that xEmpire has been listed today and just going to ask us to make a ton transaction. Once it's connected your Binance account to xEmpire, you have to make a ton transaction. How you can do this, you're going to tap on this ton transaction button you got here and then go tap on open the wallet. After that, tap on yes, and you can see we'll get here on a Web3 wallet in your Binance application. Then you're going to tap on receive. After that, you're going to tap over here. Then you can see we will get our Binance account over here on the top and then the Web3 wallet. Now we're going to check for our crypto. You can see I have Pepe. Now I'm going to choose the Pepe to make a ton transaction. Then you're going to go tap on transfer and it's just going to give us the minimum limit how more we can transfer from our Binance account to Web3 wallet. I'm just going to use the max and you can see I got this much. I have to notice one more important thing just here on this ton transaction. You can see I will get only 651 Pepe on my Web3 wallet and 500 Pepe will be gone on fees. It means you have to pay fee for a ton transaction. It's about $6 and I'm not just going to tap on withdraw. This is all just a way to transfer or make ton transaction in your Binance account. So that's all how you can do this. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.